Hello viewers, welcome to the daily show of Nifty Post Market Technical Analysis. In this analysis show, I analyze Nifty and Bank Nifty based on the price actions, price trends, support lines, resistance zones, and Fibonacci retracements. So before we jump into the analysis of today's trading session, let us briefly look into the previous analysis and see how our analysis has aligned with the movements of Nifty. So looking at the previous analysis, the observation I concluded after analyzing the session on 27th is that on 30th, on any uptick, initiate shorts close to the 17,700 level and hold shorts till 17,530 or 480 levels to book profits. And if 17,480 level breaks down conclusively, initiate shorts again. And I have also mentioned that this is not a good time to go long because there will be maybe volatile action still present. And as I have mentioned, Nifty has opened above this 17,530 support at 17,540. Let us look at the intraday session. So let us look at the intraday session of Nifty first. So Nifty opened at 17,540 level, and then it broke down. It broke down that 17,530 support momentarily, and almost it actually broke down the 17,480 also 17,530, and it tried to go below, but then it got strong support which pushed the price up, and price eventually went above the 17,680 level and tested the 17,710, which was the support as I mentioned in the previous analysis. So I have mentioned in the previous analysis that 17,710 is a second level resistance, and that is what pushed the price lower today again. So after the test of the 17,700 level, Nifty started falling, and briefly it got support at the open level like 17,530, 17,540 level, and it went up and about at 17,630 kind of level, which was the resistance yesterday. Nifty again got resistance and then price got pushed down. This time price almost tried to close below the 17,480 level. For some time I thought it will close below this, but then there was some strong support which played, and it pushed the price above. So right now the close is at around 17,650 levels. So as we can see, Nifty is after the two sessions of strong sell-off, right now Nifty is enjoying some good support anywhere below 17,530. So sometimes the support is coming at 17,487, otherwise the support is coming at 17,460, like that. So from the price action we can conclude that the support is playing out strongly at lower levels. And looking at Bank Nifty also, so for Bank Nifty also, Bank Nifty actually opened much gap down compared to the previous session at almost above support which I mentioned, like 39,600 is kind of support, and it opened above the support. It tried, went and tested the support, took support, and again Bank Nifty bounced up. It came and tested a resistance 49,800 level, and it kept on falling. It again found support below this key support level, and it almost came up to slightly below the resistance level. So both Bank Nifty and Nifty right now are between supports and resistance zones, and given that both of them have recently, if we zoom out, it will be much more clear. Zoom out to the daily level. Both Bank Nifty and Nifty have broken down a consolidation zones recently. So while one can argue that if the support is strong enough, the price can go up. Given that they have both of them have recently broken down these zones, I don't think it will be easy to go up. There will be stiff resistance from these areas. So if the support gives up, the support which we are now seeing below 17,500 for Nifty and below for below 39,700 for Bank Nifty. If the support gives up, when the support gives up, let us say, because if is not the question, when is the question. When the support gives up, we can see further down move. And until then, most likely the price will continue playing sideways. Looking at the trend lines and Fibonacci retracement for Nifty. So again, I mentioned that this 38% level for Nifty needs a close down, which is about at 17,577. Nifty opened below that, but it found support and closed above. So once it closes below, we can, as per Fibonacci retracement, we can expect more down move. And so this is an interesting observation. If you look at this particular line, this line which was coming from the lows of 23rd December, this particular trend line offered support for Nifty today during the afternoon session, and after that Nifty bounced up. So this falling support line acted as a support, and it can act as a support again until this line breaks down. So during the next session also, probably you can watch out. If a Nifty falls this much, the support line can again act as a support. And we also have a weekly support line playing out at around 17,350. That also can act as a support depending on how far the price can go down. So there are a lot of supports below the current price level. So they, all of these are together acting as a good support zone for Nifty. Anywhere Nifty falls, we can expect a sudden rebound. So unless all these support zones breaks down conclusively, we may not be able to see further down move. And looking at, so I'll show you one more interesting chart for Nifty before we go proceed to note down the observations. So looking at this hourly chart, this is actually an hourly chart. So looking at this hourly chart for Nifty, as you can see, this is a resistance zone between 17,6, let us say 17,670 to 17,620. Anywhere above this zone is a strong resistance, and this is a support zone, and anywhere below this support zone or even within this support zone, we can expect a reversal. So if you are shorting, try to short above this zone, and if you are booking profits, we can book anywhere in this zone or below this zone. Most probably you can book in this zone itself. If you want to go long, try to go long at the border or below this zone. So before let me say that the budget is near, and after the budget we have a Fed day, and so we can expect one more sideways volatile session until everybody has a clarity about how to proceed. So tomorrow also there may be a sideways action, and people who are trading in the indices, please don't worry about Adani. Look at the technicals, look at the support and resistance zones, and make your trading decisions accordingly. Because Adani, though whatever that is happening there, it will not have a major direct impact on the indices, because indices are the composition of Adani in the Nifty 50 is quite low actually. Even though the other stocks may get affected because of the overall sentiment, we have to look at what the technicals are saying about the indices, and we have to take decisions accordingly. So let me note down the observations from this analysis. So for 30th January, so Nifty is showing support below the current 17,500 level, And similarly, Bank Nifty is also showing some support, and both of them are facing resistance from above. So we can expect some sideways movement now until the support breaks. Because I'm saying the support, because they both of them have recently broken down a zone, and that zone uh, most likely will act as a strong resistance. And if at all the support weakens, the price may be pushed down. So the trades most likely will be like sell on highs and then book profits when the index enters into a support zone. So with that, I conclude this analysis, and I also have to remind you guys that tomorrow we will going to have the last day of this month, and overall the previous month is kind of weak bearish engulfing candle, and if tomorrow it closes, let us say, if tomorrow closes somewhere around 17,520, we will have a very strong bearish candle for January. So since the previous two candles have been bearish, we can expect the February month also to be overall bearish unless we have a strong reversal. So tomorrow session is going to be somewhat important, considering that it is going to be month end. So watch out how tomorrow close will be. And with that, I conclude this analysis session, and make your decisions judiciously. Keep your capital safe, and let us all hope that we will have another good trading session tomorrow, and I'll see you in the analysis tomorrow. And do subscribe to the channel, and please share the videos if you like this analysis. Thank you.